How to withdraw from Wazirx exchange to Binance exchange. In this video, I'll use TRX to withdraw since it has a very low transaction fees. Open your Wazirx account, then click Funds tab from your main dashboard. Then type TRX on the search bar. Then click on the Withdraw button. Here, type the amount that you'd like to withdraw and then paste the TRX address where you want to send it. Then click on the Proceed with Withdrawal button. Now click on Approve this withdrawal button. After you have confirmed your withdrawals, they will send you an email to confirm it. Just open that email and confirm your withdrawal.
2,000 years later.
After 2-3 minutes, I have already received my TRX coin. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.